Hi everybody, and welcome to Night Owl. Oh, what should we do this water bottle? Leave that still. Welcome to Night Owl. Today we're going to do a water shootout. Now I've heard a lot of rumours that some float, some don't. Some work on wet, some don't. So I'm just going to throw them in the water and see what happens. I do have one thing I need though. I plan on getting pretty wet, so I've got a pair of old jeans here. I'm going to use dry them off. So start with a clipper jet. Works. Can't see the flame though, obviously. Over in the shade. Hear it. In the water. Then we'll start with the clipper. Reusable. Blackout version. Regretting to put this in. Works, no worries. 3 out of 3 times. Okay, so this sort of floating, but sort of not. That'd sink to the bottom. Right, let's have a look at this jet, eh? Okay, that was submerged, and that still works. Still works. The clipper jet, fast, no problems. This is a mini clipper. See how that goes? They sort of stands end on end. Let's have a look at how this goes. It's the normal clipper. And that's what I usually do with wet waters. Draw a film from that. And it works. Took about 3 or 4 strikes. While my hand's been slippery now. So that works after being in water. Very good. Now we've got a FLS trio. High flame because it's been in the sun. I've really burnt yourself there. Yeah, so that works. See how that goes. None of these are floating. Alright, you'll click them in. Might be a jet. It's not. Remember, it's flying. So we're not going to get this one dry because I can't see the print anywhere or anything. Worked on the 3rd try. Okay. So they can get wet. Takes a little bit more to get it going again, but it works. Excellent. That's the clipper mini. Pass with flying colours and take me long to get it going again. FLS. Chuck another one in. This one's called Lit. Another sparkler one. So see this, how this goes. It's got an adjustable flame, which is set on max at the moment. Tuck that in. That floats. It's the only one I've seen float. Let's go. That's pretty good, isn't it? Now for the tried and trusted pick. Works. Doesn't float. Put a little one in there too. Now this is a brand new one. 3 dimes. Lit. White sandy bay. Didn't enjoy that much. Come on. And this is a cheap lighter. It's like $1. Now this is an old lighter. Still works. It's probably float. Nope. Whoever says the big lighter's float a dream. Got that gun going. Be honest, longer than the other ones. A fair bit more. This one is a cricket. Everybody's probably seen a cricket lighter before. Only get the lights on every second one. Which one will I try first? The new one. Now, I haven't modified any of these lighters. They've all got their safety still on them. Whatever safety features they have. Okay. The brand new one too. Mini big. That works. They took a bit of effort though. The big so far have taken a fair bit of effort. Now this is a second-hand lighter. This is Moon brand. This would be the cheapest sort of lighter you can find. It's got an adjustable flame. I've had this for a long time. It's got rust on it. Working in the party. Fucking down, eh? We've got bulb dry. Maybe it'll work after a while. I'll go back to the old Bitch Mini. Pretty quick. Get the other bigs. Surprised. But they've got a second chance there, luckily for them, eh? I think I'm going to end up with a blister here. Now for the last one, this is also a lit brand, the same as that. This is the nastiest lighter you can get. But it works, it's got adjustable flame. Tuck that in, get the cricket out. It's been in there for a while, man. Peeling off like sweat. Works every second time. A fair bit of it. Draw it out. Or not. I have a feeling it's something to do with this child guard that's going on here. It's very flush with the wing. Can't. Working. I mean, big wheel roll on. How much of a chance will give this? Done. So the cricket fails. Cheapos. Which one did I chuck in first? The old rusty one. Moon. Now this didn't work in the first place, did it? So it's going to be interesting. Flame up. Wet. Another cheap one, which is a Lit brand again. Sometimes. So that didn't work that well, but it worked. So what do we got here? We've actually got them in order of pretty much how they work. So the clipper jet performed no problems at all. I'm surprised with that considering you can't blow anything out of it. Stuff. So the clipper jet performed no problems at all. I'm surprised with that considering you can't blow anything out of it. Stuff. Both of these clippers worked fine. The mini was a little bit hard to get going. This worked really well. It's added to the top, and that's with that. The bigs I think were mediocre. There was only one which worked all right, which I think was the blue one. These two took a fair bit to get going. Cricket failed. Doesn't work at all. Give it another try. Still not. That failed from the start. Didn't even work. And that worked not too bad. Only works every second shot though. So I would get a clip jet. Don't know how long the gas lasts in the jets. Clipper, just a normal, reusable, so you can fill it back up. Jet black, it's pretty cool. Just got a bit of the label off. Oh, damn it, because I wet it, it makes it harder. I'll wait till it dries. Yeah, I think these three choices are fantastic. This one, I don't know how it's got working, because it's not electronic, but it got it working pretty quick. It's shocked me. So those three all shocked me. So does that. This performed really good. So I'd rate it the clippers are the best. Then possibly the Lit. Then the FLS. Then the Bix. Then the other Lit. Both failures. Both crickets. I mean, this one's a cricket, this one's a moon or something. So, yeah, they failed to work. Interesting. Hope you found that enjoyable. Something different. shit. We didn't do the do Zippo. I read it in my last video. Okay. In order she go. Doesn't float. Does that shock anybody? How long do we give it? Oh, I reckon a Zippo, eh? You gotta hate it. Alright. Can't do it any longer. It's upsetting me. We all know that these aren't waterproof. Right, how much water got in the top? Now it's full. And the wick's saturated. That's unbelievable. It's got a wet flint reel, you can even see it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's all wet still. The inside the flint as well. Flint's totally wet. Go the Zippo. Don't know how much longer, but it's wet. Wet's wet. Even the cheap $1 ones. I rate higher than the Vicks. It went too good. This one worked amazing. That worked amazing. These were really good too. All the clippers are really good. Even the jet. I'm going over because I don't know whether I've filmed before or not. Now the Zippo. Don't know if it's going to work. Because I did work for cricket. Zippo in there. I hear the cricket wasn't on. Didn't work before. Sorry. I'm filming you, big buddy. But I can't see you in camera. These are lighters. You've seen lighters before? Huh. First try after being dunked. Wonder if it's the best clean I put on it. I didn't even dry that or blow it or that. You like that, do you? Yeah, the wheels are wet still. Very interesting, mate. The Zippo works. Let's see if Daddy can do a trick. Worked. Done. Yeah. Alright, thank you for joining me. They're pretty much in the order. Oh. Can you stand over here for a second? There we go. You're pretty much in the order. Should be. Zippo winning. Believe it or not. Then the clippers. Then the lit ones. Then the FLS thing. Then the Vicks. And then the cricket. And the no-name glass. The moon or cricket. Both glass. Correct. Is that your rating system? Did that work? Yeah, good job. Let's go. Thank you for help. You're a big boy. Knuckles. Good job, mate. Alright, let's go. Thank you for coming. Geez, stinks like dog shit, doesn't it, mate?